Yo, 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 welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream, gang. I hope everyone had a great day, a blessed day. Grateful to be back again here on stream with you guys. If you're just tuning in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And let's dive in. Let's dive in right away. FOMC was pretty good today. Pretty good, pretty good. We had a nice bullish run on gold, and we definitely took advantage. We took advantage and grabbed a 300 pip trade today on the New York session with my platform members, and yeah, super profitable day. But let's mark up these charts. Let's take a look at the weekly and work our way down to the intraday time frames. This here, come on, what is this thing? On here. I'll be able to get this way. All right, there we go. I don't know why it does that. All right, gang. For FOMC, let's take a look at this reversal. Wow, look at the change in direction. I mean, we were talking about gold potentially retesting the bottom of this range here off the weekly. You remember me talking about that. Now, the weekly candle's not over. About a day and a half, 2 days left, and we just broke the previous weekly highs. Now, I think we're gonna take off here, gang. This is the all-time high here. I think we're gonna break above and take out the weekly highs, and we might come up to this range 25.50, probably even further up. We might come all the way up here before making a correction now. All right, but yeah, weekly candles definitely breaking above and just broke the previous weekly highs, so it's getting interesting. Now, daily candle. First range I want to look at is this range right here. So this was the resistance area that we broke above and closed above. Now we could expect maybe some sort of bottom wick and then the continuation up. Next target will probably be this level up here, 24.68. So I think we're gonna smack right into this here at the very next target off the daily. So yeah, and it kind of did it make a bottom wick on the, yeah, so we got a little bit of a bottom wick here, but if we get the flip, once we break the highs, about 24.51, once we break that high from the previous daily, we should get the push up and then run into this level up here. Trying to drag this down right here. There we go. All right. So yeah, off the daily, I think the next immediate target would be at least 24.69, 24.70. 4 hour. All right. So 4 hour definitely broke above the resistance area here, and yeah, it closed above. So let's see. Off the 4 hour, the next target is 2475, which is another potential target there. That's actually what I'm looking at. So we had this drop here, then we made a lower a lower high, came down, made another lower high, and then failed to make a lower high. So now we came back and we broke that structure there. Once we broke above this high right here, that structure was taken out. We got the push up. So yeah, this is changing direction. This is super bearish for a while, and now we just broke that structure over here when we took out this resistance level, and we should push up now. So yeah, let's see if it's gonna form a resistance level here and kind of make a bit of a correction to this big move up. But if we re-break these highs here, we're in. We are in. So that's where we're at now, gang. And we got 25 minutes of this candle closure. So let me mark this current resistance level there. And I have my buy stop positions here. So All right. And it's 2445. I think it's below the previous low. Oh no, yeah, but this made a bigger low here, so yeah, it's gonna be just below that low. So 2442. Target is the top of the range. This entry is just above 9. Actually, I have it at 245. Yeah, this is our entry here. That's my buy stop entry there. And we wait. Put the stop at 442. I want to below that previous low. That's our trade, gang. Now we just gotta wait patiently here and see. Next 4 hour, you know, it might continue to drive down perhaps, but if we come down, make a bottom wick, once we reflip it, we take out the highs, it's gone. And I might move my entry here to the break of this 4 hour high here. I want to wait for this candle to close first. What's this high here? Yeah, we might get in around 2449. We'll see. Give me 1 second. All right, gang, I'm back. Yeah, still waiting for this 4 hour closure, but we have our buy stop set up here. Empty candle. Empty candle had come down. Just push up. Let's see. Have a brand new month now here, gang. I'm expecting at least the quick fill here. We're gonna hit this level first, but then we might take out the all-time highs. 2,500 could be the first target here on the monthly. Stay patient, and we got a little under 20 minutes. Let's see if this 4 hour is going to flip bullish. We might still close above that support level here. I mean resistance level. Let's see. We might continue to drive up. If we take out the highs after this bottom wick, it should continue to drive up. So if you haven't set your buy stops, you have a chance to do it now. We haven't been activated yet. NASDAQ made a rally today. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Yep, broke structure, and NASDAQ is running. It's going to come up, fill this gap here. How many pips is that? What do we have? Where are we at right now? Gap fill. Oh, that's like 250 pips. I'm actually interested here. I'm actually interested. Let me see what is that, the 4 hour? Man, no bottom wick though. We might. I'm highly tempted to take this trade here. This is support level here, 310. This one here, and that one here. Yeah, this is the bottom wicks here off the 30. It doesn't have here. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, no bottom wick on this 4 hours, so I can't take that. We'll probably keep driving up, fill the gap here. This was a nice run though. Yeah, but these 250 pips, definitely gonna grab this here. And we get a pullback here, maybe on the next 4 hour. If we come down, make a bottom wick here for this previous candle, and then open up with a bottom wick, and then we reflip, I'll take the buys on the NASDAQ. Yeah, 4 hours flipping bullish here. Looking good. No bottom wick, no bottom wick. Yeah, dollar index is pumping down. Look at that drop on the dollar. That's why gold's been rallying up. Broke this support level here. Strong support. Broke right through it. Came back, retested. Got this top over. Ripped right back down. And this is definitely looking to come first off this level off the 4-hour. And then you have the trend line here. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of room. It might just come down at least to this target down here. It already broke below, so I see the dollar dropping. And I send you guys an update on my platform. Looking at it off the weekly. Zoom out on this. Yep, there it is right there. Yeah, we got this like somewhat trend line. I think it's gonna come down at the very least to tap it here. But if we get the break below there, then yeah, targets are all the way down here. Yeah, it's gonna come down to this range here. Then you have, these shorter targets down here, but the dollar drops more, gold is gonna keep pushing up. Let's see what gold is doing here. We're gonna get a closure now. Yeah, so I'll wait for this closure, like I mentioned to you guys. Once we get this candle closure, when the next candle opens, then if we have this top wick, if we come down to make a bottom wick first, I'll have the entry at the break of this this candle high. So I'll bring it in now. Let's say it would have been now, that entry would be around 20. I'll leave it about 24.49.68. But let's see. In the next 10 minutes, this candle might just activate us here. Let's see. I'm just waiting for this candle closure, gang. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Wait for this 4-hour closure. And then I'll see if I'm going to make an adjustment to this entry here. Currently, the buy stop entry is at 2451. But I might move it down to like 2449.7. Apple. Down. It might be a good entry for a buy right here. Right off that support there. Around 64,000. Good entry for a buy on gold. For those Bitcoin lovers. If you're interested in trading Bitcoin, I'll be looking for buy positions around 64,000. You know, once it comes in, and just take the buy up. All right, let's take a look and see how this is going to close up. Close doji. All right. I want to see a bottom wick here first. Yep. Oh, did we get a bottom wick? We got a small bottom wick. Either way, if it comes down and re-breaks the highs, but I want to see a steeper bottom wick though. I'll leave the entry where it is there. There we go. Give me a bottom wick first. Yeah, there we go. All right. I would have expected a steeper bottom wick. Maybe even come down and break the previous 4-hour lows before flipping up. Well, we got a bottom wick here, but let's see if we're going to re-break this high here. And it came up to make the top wick first, then came down. But I think that if this 4-hour candle comes down, If it re-breaks the previous 4-hour lows, it might go further down. I might consider deleting the buy stop at that point. Then look for a different entry. It might come back down to test 2420 down here. Is there another level here? 2428. Off the 15, we got 2432. Well, we'll see. Let me give it a little more time. It's starting to push up here. If it breaks the previous highs here, we get in. Did it break the highs here? I'll just wait it out. All right, yeah, there we go. We broke the previous 4-hour highs. Now let's see if we're gonna break the daily highs here. We break the daily highs, then that's where we'll get activated and we're gone. We should see a further drive up. Did I get activated here? All right, yeah, gang, I'm activated here. All right. All right, so we got in this go buy here. Came back and activated us here at the break of the previous daily candle. So we're breaking the daily highs here. Let's see how good we hold up here. Our stops are just below the previous 4-hour lows. That's where our stops are here. We manage risk here, and that's about 80 pips. So we'll hold off here and we'll wait and see. We got activated though, gang. So let's see how it goes. So we're gonna try to re-break the highs again here. There we go, gang. There we go. All right. I want to take a look at the 30 minutes. I just want to see if there is. Let me actually find it on the 1 hour. It's still over. So we already tapped into this target here. Yeah, let's see if we get these pips over here. I lower it down here a little bit. Like that, 30 pips. So we're gonna tap into that level here, gang. Get a stronger push up here. One up. Let's see. Because I have this level here to take partials up here when it goes up here. But I'm gonna see if it runs up about maybe 25, 20, 25 pips, I might go break even. But we haven't hit that mark yet. We're only up 9 pips now. What was the high hit? 20, 21 pips. All right. Was it 10? Nope, sorry, 13. I know, 2453. Yeah, 20, like 21 pips was the peak. 14, 16 pips, gang. There we go, 23 pips there. All right, gang. All right, I went break even here on this trade, gang. Only because all right, gang. And you know what? I'm taking partials here. Oops. Let me see if we tap that level again. Yeah. All right, I closed partials there at 20. Yeah. 28 pips. Good job, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, so I closed my runners right here. Moved the line down, but I closed it when it tapped right into that line. That was 30. I said 20. What did I say? Hold on, let me just. Yeah, that was at 30. Yeah, 31 pips. So it was 31 pips. Yeah. Mm. But we're risk free. Peaked at 31 pips here, but let's see. We got a runner. See if we're gonna break out here. Are we gonna break out? Yeah, this was a key entry here because if you go back when we started the video, you see here I have mentioned at the time of starting the stream, the daily candle had just opened and it was actually slightly bearish with a very small wick and came down, made a steeper wick. But now I told you guys, if we come and flip and re-break the previous daily highs, that we were going to push up. And look at that. We came down, flipped, took out the daily highs. We got in here right at the break of the daily highs. And now we are flying. We're up 39, 40, 41 pips. Yeah. Yeah. This is good. That is good. Yeah, I took partials, gang, at 31 pips and holding my runner here. Yeah, we running here. 44 pips. This is good. You know what? I'm gonna shave some more partials here. Goes in half. Let it run up. All right. Yep. All right. Closed another 50% of my runner at 47 pips. Sorry, 45 pips. 45. Apologize. These numbers keep moving up and down. Yeah, so took shaved off some partials at 45 pips here. Still holding a small runner. Holding a run at a 0.25 lot. Yeah, we're pumping here. All right, currently running 50 pips, gang. 50 pips. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, we flying here. Yeah, we're risk-free. Now we get to watch to see if this runner's gonna. Dang, if you haven't taken partials, listen, we're running up here. It's a 59 pips profit. You might want to either take some partials or close your full position here. At the very least, you should be break even here. We went break even at 25 pips. So, yeah. Amazing. Beautiful trade. Yeah, this is great. Another great trade here. We're running 63 pips here, 64. Yeah, let it run. Yeah, we're running 60 plus pips here, and we're risk free. I would have thought we would have had a little bit of some resistance here at this level here, but yeah, we're running, pushing through it. We might meet some resistance up here at 24.66 in this area here. We can break through there. We should tap our target at 24.75. If not, I've closed 80% of my position already. Totaling was it 31 pips? Then I closed the other half at 45 pips or so. So yeah, so I grabbed my share of profits already. But I got a runner. At a 0.25 lot here. So I'm currently up about 106 bucks on it. Dang, if you like the trade, man, type a W. Type a W in the chat, gang. If you're watching the live stream and you took this trade with me. Phone strategies. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. The setup was there, man. The setup was there. Coming into the stream, like I said, I was kind of looking at this daily wick here. See the candle close strong, bullish for the day. So the bias is bullish for the day. So we came down, made a bottom wick, and went on the reflip. We got in at the break of the daily highs off the 4-hour time frame. It was the idea came off the daily, but the entry I took it off the 4-hour, and yeah, off the 1 hour you can see it as well here. But yeah, I kind of had it set up here off the boom. And yeah, man, I mean, we ran up. It's starting to come down, but I think we can still run up. But again, I'm out. 80% of my position has been closed. I got a small runner going. Secure solid profits, gang. Solid profits. Had a 2-lot running, closed that, and then closed 50% of my runner. So, yeah. We got 30 minutes left on this 1 hour. Let's see if we're gonna continue to push up. Excuse me. Let me take a look at the NASDAQ real quick. I want to see if it pushed up to that. What was it? Is it off the 4-hour? See this trade I was mentioning earlier. I would have considered this gap fill here, being that it's super bullish here, broke structure here, and we're running up. But this kind of has no bottom wick, and didn't want to take it now. I mean, this 4-hour candle is only 30 minutes old, so we might still see this bottom wick. Maybe it'll make a steep wick down here and then flip. If it does that and it reflips, breaks this high, yeah, I'll run it up. I run it up here to get the gap fill here, but my setup isn't there, so I'll let it go. I wish I would have caught this up here, but I was so focused on gold today, I missed this whole move on NASDAQ. Oh yeah, we flying here. Gang, we're running 71 pips on this trade. Woo, we are running. Yeah. Again, trading ain't easy. It's definitely not easy, but when you're on this day in and day out, you have your days. You have your days where you can celebrate. Today was a good day. Today, like I said before, on my Signals platform, for my platform members, we caught a 300 pip gold buy today, the New York session, helped by the FOMC data that was released today. Jerome Powell speech at 2:30 Eastern time, and now for Asia, yeah, we took the breakout trade, break of the daily highs, and it's also looking good. So yeah, we've made nearly 400 pips in the last 2 trades. So amazing. So the 30s kind of making this pullback here. That's expected. It might pull down and then reflip. Sorry, excuse me. Got a bit of a light cough, kind of getting to me. Yeah, well, let's see. We're risk-free either way on this trade. Like I said, I got small runner going here, but I think this is just the bottom way to flip and continue. If this 30 reflips, breaks the previous 30 highs, we should see a continuation to the upside. Well, we survived the pullback. Look, the 30 minute. Yeah, we peaked at 70, nearly 75 pips was the peak here. Now we're kind of pulling back. Again, this 30 has no top wick, so let's see. I don't know if it's gonna come down, tap us at break even, but if we survive this pullback on the 30 and get the reflip, then we should get a bigger push up, which would probably what's that level again? Was it here? No, I think it was off the, was it off the 1 hour? Yeah, it was this no. What the heck? Oh, it was on the 4 hour. It was a was it this one here? Oh no, it was this one. Yeah, so I think this will be the next area where we can see some resistance around that 24.66 level. But we're coming down here, gang. And we might get tapped out of BE here. Let me check my account real quick. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Hope you guys took your profits. We peaked at 70. What was it again? 70 something pips. 7458.48. Yes, about 75 pips. All right, here's the bottom wick here. Let's see if we're gonna get the flip. We get stopped out. Will we survive this pullback here? Yo, if we reflip, it's gonna be crazy. I mean, it's not crazy to think we had this push up, a little bit of a correction, then another push up. I feel like it can still push further up, but if we're gonna come down, if we break this now support level here, you know, this will be a healthy correction to come back down to that 24.20. We ranged there all freaking day. Look at this. This was all mostly during Asia and early mornings before, you know, we started kind of breaking out. Then FOMC popped us off, but you know, we might see this impulse correction. I think maybe we can still see a drive down, even if it's half the range. Is there a level here? Yeah, look at this. We might come down. What's that? 24.30, 24.31. Yeah, we might see a little correction. You know, something like you know, come back down to like that 24.30, and then get the reversal, and then continue to push up. So that's something that, you know, we might see something like that after a nice impulsive move like that. But because we already made this minor correction here, this impulse could continue to drive up. We might not see a correction till after we tap up here, or make a new all-time high first and then come back down for corrections. But yeah, it looks like we're surviving this because I'm still in, gang. It's still 22 minutes. This 30-minute reflip's bullish, then yeah, we might see a bigger move up. Yeah, but we're playing with house money now, gang. So we definitely locked in our profits and we're just holding this runner here. Let's see if we can tap our target. Yeah, my stops are set. I have them. Brokers are slightly different. I got mine at 2451.15. So, but we got in at 2451.0. So I just got it a pip and a half above my entry there. So I'll be good. It takes me out there. Let's candle reflip here. If we don't reflip in the next 18 minutes or so, I'll just close my position if we don't get stopped out by then, and call it a night. But if we reflip bullish, then yeah, I'll hold that runner and watch it continue to push up. Maybe close it up here. And we're still in good profit even here. Where we are, 45 pips here. Yo, is Bitcoin coming down to that entry? Oh, it tapped into that in that entry there. Yeah, this would have been a good entry to buy here. That off the 4 hour, we look at it here. Yeah, I told you it was up here earlier. I was telling you if it comes down and taps this support level, it might bounce up. Not a bad idea to buy here. I'm still looking off the 1 hour here. Yeah, it tapped right into that support. It's kind of getting rejected. Yeah, I think Bitcoin might reverse from here. At least make a correction back up. Maybe retest this level 60. That's $2,000 that is gonna push up. That's not a bad move on Bitcoin for those who want to get in. We're pushing back down here again, slightly, but we're still alive here. All right, gang, we got 13 minutes left on this candle. Let's just wait. Let's stay patient. Word out is that, good trading, great trading is boring because you wait a lot. You know, you're trying to do too much if you're not waiting for candles to print. If you're just taking wild guesses and jumping in, oh, this candle's gonna reflip, and you take the buy here. This candle comes and drives down. You're gonna get stopped out. So we're already in. We made our money tonight. We made our money. We're holding on the runner here. We're hanging out. Now we watch and learn about price action. Wait for any corrections. If this candle was to come back down and close below the range, what will be your next move? You can make your markups, change your support resistance levels. There's a lot of things you can do while you're setting up for your trade to take your trade. But again, we got our setup tonight rather quickly too. We waited for the 9 p.m. candle to open up. Hey, XRP is looking good. been dropping, but I thought he was at 65 cents. I would love for this candle to reflip bullish. All right. Also, that's what we have next. The manufacturing PMI. That's at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So forecast is about 0.3% higher than the previous. So let's see. That should give us a little bit of volatility in the market tomorrow morning. So we'll wait on that. Overall, I think gold is going to continue to push up. Maybe the NFP on Friday, depending on how that data comes out, if we're going to get a push back down. But if that continues to push gold up, I mean, man, gold's looking at 3,000. I wouldn't put it past gold. We're definitely going to grab that wick on the monthly. We're going to hit that 2483 level at the least. Maybe even break that. Again, that's why I'm anticipating it might hit 2,500. And then we might see a bigger correction back down to 2,400 from there or something. I'm just throwing numbers out there, just we still have to do our analysis, do our due diligence, but do our research. But I think that psychological level of 2,500, I think is gonna get tapped very soon. That's the way it goes pushing up now. FOMC looking to cut rates in September. Had a dovish tone today as well in the FOMC speech. So I feel like gold is gonna start running up. Then you have all that tension in the Middle East. The Israel-Palestinian war is going nuts over there. Will we flip here? What's going on? 7 minutes. 8 minutes left. Push down here. Close the candle closure. I don't think we're gonna reflip here, gang. Let's see what happens in the next 5 minutes. Coming down there. Will we survive this, or we're gonna push down and top us out? Oh, I got tapped out here, gang. Broker here. All right. Well, I'm out of this gang here. Got tapped out at BE on the runner. Amazing trade though. Amazing trade. We ran up about 75 pips on that trade. So not bad. Not bad for the Asia session. Now keep an eye on this. This could be coming down to retest. Looking at the 1 hour, for example. Might want to come back down here maybe. If this thing flips bearish though, I mean there's only a minute left. I don't think it's gonna flip bearish, but I would say it should close at least this. See, it formed a support. I'm sorry, a resistance level here, and it has this little support here, this minor support. This is off the 1 hour. So, you know, if you come back in this range, and just keep an eye on this range, you know, a break below this support, or if this can close and remain above, then we can continue to see the drive up. But this huge wick rejection here, you know, we might get a flip here, and this thing might come back down. That correction might start happening now. We might get something to drive back down this way. Yep. All right, gang. That's all I got for tonight. It was great. Tomorrow, we have news again at 10 a.m. We have manufacturing PMI for my Forex platform members. We will be trading the New York session, so you know, be ready for that tomorrow morning. And great day again, gang. Great day today. You know, kudos to those who stay patient, you know, during this run up. You know, didn't have any FOMO. We had our setups right down here at this range, and we took our entries right around 24.20, and boom, we caught this whole ride up. So yep, we had a great day today, guys, and thanks for tuning in. And I hope everybody has a good night, has a blessed night. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same channel. Yeah, have a great night, guys. Peace.